In this very quick video, I'm going to show you how to turn off your grand totals line on your pivot table in Excel. So here you can see I have a pivot table, and by default, your pivot table will probably have a grand totals line under columns. It may also have that under rows. It really depends. But if you don't want that, if you're finding it not helpful, it's best to delete it. And you can't just do that by hitting delete on your keyboard. You have to change a setting. So I'm going to walk you through it. First off, make sure your pivot table is selected. So you got to select any cell within that table, and you'll go up to your top tabs here and you'll see two green tabs. There's Pivot Table Analyze and also Design. For this specific instance, we're going to go to Design, although a lot of times when you change a pivot table, you're going to go under Pivot Table Analyze, but we want to change the design of it. So I'm under the Design tab, and then I'm going to go all the way to the left here. There's a Grand Totals button with a drop down. If I hit that, I'll see some options, and one of them is off for rows and columns. This is the one we want because we don't need any grand totals at all, not for the rows, not for the columns, not for anything. And if I hit that, just like that, my grand totals line is gone. So you can play around with this. If you're wanting grand totals on for rows and not columns, you can do, on for columns only, on for rows only, etc. And also, if you want to turn them back on, you always can do that by just hitting on for rows and columns. Just like that. So it's easy to turn on and off. And actually for this example, having a grand total is kind of helpful, but I found that oftentimes I don't need a grand total at all and it's just distracting. So make sure to turn that off if you don't need it, just like that, and you're good to go. That's it. I hope this helped you guys. If you found it useful, check out my playlist in Excel for more like this. And thank you so much for watching.
If you want to support me and see what I've been working on, check out my explainer video channel.